Hi, you guys, and welcome to week 4. We are approaching the first exam, so that's what I wanted to talk about. You have this week where we're working on energy, and then the following Monday is when the exam is open. So that will cover those first chapters, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So to prepare for that, you have the lectures. You have the PowerPoints for them. You have a study guide, so you should be going over those. And the exam will be open all day on that Monday. You can do it at any time, but it is timed. So you have 100 minutes. And you can use a cheat sheet. So all the details are written for you on a separate module. And write down the things that you think you might not remember, and that way you have it right there. If you decide to start looking things up during the test, you will run out of time. So my suggestion is make yourself a sheet, and that way you know the things that are important. It's a really great study tool because when you write it down, you'll remember it, and you'll do great. So if you have any questions, look it up. There's a module called What Will the Exam Be Like? And then the exam is posted for the following Monday. And it should be no different from the quizzes, other than I don't have any questions that are choose all that apply. It's always one answer only. And it should be very similar to those, only more comprehensive because you got many more questions coming at you. So it's about 70 around there for 100 minutes. So after 100 minutes, it will cut you off. So time yourself so that that works well. You should have plenty of time. Okay, that's what I wanted to say. I put some other announcements that I went to the slough, and there's so many migrating birds out there. It was so much fun. So remember that if you do this, if you go out on a hike and you report what you saw, there's guidelines for that too. You will get extra credit. So it's really a fun time of year, and there's all sorts of birds out there, and I hope you get to do that too. All right, you guys, have a good week 4. Talk to you soon.